Thanks, Chris, and we do apologise for the technical glitch experienced in that report. Meanwhile, head coach Steve McClaren has sought to clear the air regarding Marseille forward Mason Greenwood and his potential inclusion in the Reggae Boys squad. McClaren confirmed that Greenwood was in receipt of his Jamaican passport, but noted the prolific English-born player was yet to make a final decision about playing international football.
We acquired a passport and we expected him to be coming to this camp, but on a conversation with his family, he's not going to commit at this time to anybody, so he's taking his time over that. So it's a little bit disappointing. We probably have to be more patient.
However, McClaren added that Greenwood remains firmly in the plans for the Reggae Boys.
But we will keep the contact, we'll keep pursuing him because I know from my conversations with Mason and that he loves Jamaica, respects Jamaica. He wants to concentrate on club football and not commit to an international team at the present moment. We have to respect that. However much we've worked hard to get him here for these camps, so who knows in the future.